whiteboard. So let's see with me. Yes, this is my whiteboard, and you all know I want to take first blue color. Okay, so let's see. Today is, tell me, today is Sunday. Sunday. Today is Sunday and date 22nd August 2021. Today is Sunday and date 22nd August 2021. And today I am going to discuss about mathematics. Okay students, so let's start with me. Now I want to show my pages. So let's see. Yes, this is my first page, and now you all have to answer me, or you can write in your copy. Okay, so let's start. 1 more than 89. Do you know what will be the answer? 1 more than 89. Now I want to change my pen color and I want to take red color. 1 more than 89. Now count with me. 89, 90. Okay, so answer will be 90. 1 more than 89 is 90. Now 1 less than. More than means forward counting and less than means backward counting. Okay, so let's start. 1 less than 100. 1 less than 100 is 100. Before 100 we all know 99. So the answer will be 99. 1 less than 100 is 99. Okay, clear? Now 1 less than 50. 1 less than 50. 50 now backward counting. 50, then 49. So the answer will be 49. Okay students, clear? Now 2 more than 79. 2 more than 79. Now count with me. Look here, more. So you have to count forward. Okay. Now 79, then 80, next 81. So the answer will be 81. Okay students, clear? Now 2 more than 98. 2 more. Now count with me. 98, 99 and then 100. So the answer will be 100. Okay students? Now 2 less than. Less than means backward. Okay? 2 less than 71. So tell me 71. Before 71 we all know 70. And before 70 we all know 69. Okay? Now next. 2 less than 97. Now count with me. 97, and before 97 we all know 96, and before 96 95. So the answer will be 95. Now 5 more than 71. 5 more than 71. So more. You have to count forward. Now count with me. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75 and then 76. So the answer will be 76. 5 more than 71 is 76. Now 5 more than 58. What will be the answer? 58, then 59, 60, 61, 62 and last 63. So the answer is 63. 5 more than 58 is 63. Okay students, clear? Again, 5 less than 30. Less than means backward counting. Okay, 5 less than 30. So students, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26 and 25. So write here 25. Now next, 5 less than 65. 5 less than 65. Now count 65 backward because look, less is here. Okay. So 65, 64, 63, 62, 61 and then 60. Okay students. Now 5 less than 87. 5 less than 87. What will be the answer? Before 87 we all know 86, 85, 84, 83. Now 82. So the answer will be 82. Now 5 less than 99. What will be the answer? 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, then 94. Okay. 10 more than 20. Now you all have to count 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and then 30. Okay students, I hope you all understand this page. So I want to go my next page. Okay, so let's see with me. Look, 3 more than 62. 3 more than 62. What will be the answer? 62 then 3. 63, 64 and last 65. So the answer will be 65. Now 3 more than 87. 3 more than 87. So count 87, 88, 89 and then 90. So the answer will be 90. Now 3 less than 52. Before 52 we all know 50 on, then 50, then 49. So the answer will be 49. Now 3 less than 35. So backward count. Start 35 and before 35 we all know 34. Then 33 and last 32. 3 less than 90. 3 less than 90. Now count 90, 90, 89. Before 90 we all know 89. Then 88 and last 87. Okay students, 5 more than 40. Count with me forward counting because more. 40, then 41, 42, 43, 44 and last 45. 5 more than 75. Now count forward. 75, then 76, 77, 78, 79 and last 80. Okay. 10 more than 60. What will be the answer? Do you know? If you know it, you have to count. Okay. 60, then 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, then 70. Okay. 10 more than 55. What will be the answer? There is a shortcut method for it. because 10. Look here, 10 is present, so you can change only 10th place. Okay, so then you can get the answer. Look here, 55. 10 more than 55, so you can write 65. It is the shortcut method because 10 is here. Okay. Now 10 more than 85. 85. Look here, 5 is in one place and 8 is in 10 place. So 10 more, because now you can write 8, 9 instead of 8 and then 5. So 10 more than 85 is 95. Okay students, clear? Now 10 less than 100. 10 less than 100. So what will be the answer? You have to count backward because you can see less is here, or you can apply the shortcut method. Shortcut method is 10 less than 100 is 90. Look here, 1 is 1th place and this is 10th place and this is 100th place. So before 10 we all know 9, so 90, 90. Okay, clear? Next, 10 less than 25. You can also apply here shortcut method. So write here 1 and 10. Now 10th place, this is the 10th place and 2 is here, present here. So before 2 we all know 1. So 1, 5, 15. It will be the answer. 10 less than 25 is 15. Again 73. 10 less than 73. So write here 1, 10. Now 10 less. So before 7 we all know 6. So 6, 3, 60. Okay students. And next 10 more than 47. 10 more than 47. Look here, more. So 1 and 10. Now you can write for forward counting because look here, more is present. Okay. So 4 then 5. 5 next 7. 57. 5, 7, 57. 10 more than 47 is 57. Okay students. Now I hope you all understand this page. So now I want to show my next page. So let's see with me. Yes, this is my next page and this is my last page. Okay. 6 more than 46. You all have to count. Okay. 6 more than 46. What will be the answer? After 46 we all know 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, then 52. So write 52. Okay students. 6 more than 64. 6 more than 64. Now count with me. 64 then 65, 60, 66, 67, 68, 69 and last 70. So the answer will be 70. Now 6 less than 80. You have to count backward because less than. Okay. So now count with me. Before 80 we all know 79. Now backward 79, 78, 76, 7, 76, 75 and then 74. Okay students. Now 6 less than 51. What will be the answer? Before 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45. Then so the answer will be 45. Clear? 8 more than 42. Now count 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, then 50. So the answer will be 50. 8 more than 71. 8 more than 71. What will be the answer? 71, then 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, then 79. Clear? Next, 8 less. Less means backward. 8 less than 52 is backward counting. 52, then 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, then 44. Clear? Next, 7 more than 85. Now count with me. 85, then 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. So the answer will be 92. Next, 6 more than 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, then 41. 7 less than 43. 7 less than 43. Now count with me. 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, then 36. 9 less than 65. What will be the answer? 9 less than 65. Now backward counting. 65, before 65 we all know 64. 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57 and then 56. Clear? 5 less than 84. Backward counting because less is here. So count with me. Before 84 we all know 83, 83, 82, 81, 80. Then what will be the answer? 79. Okay students. 8 more than 29. 8 more than 29. Now count with me forward counting. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, then 37. And last, 5 more than 59. Count with me forward counting because more. 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, then 64. Okay students, I hope you all understand this. Okay. So students, if you understand it or like it, please hit the like button and share it to your friends and relatives. Okay. And today I just want to tell you bye bye. We will meet again tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Okay. See you later.